Welcome to the CarTrack Fleet Management System. In this video, we'll be going over how to create and manage geofences. Geofences are virtual geographic boundaries that enable GPS devices to trigger various responses when a device enters, leaves, or does something while inside. In the context of the CarTrack Fleet Management System, this means that you'll be able to monitor where and when your vehicles are going, as well as having the ability to create reports and receive email and SMS alerts for your fleet. To begin creating geofences, log in and find an area on the map where you would like to create your geofence. Now right-click on the map to bring up a small menu and click on Add Geofence. Another menu should open and you'll be presented with the map view and a row of tools across the top. The circle tool will allow you to create a circular geofence. Clicking on the X button will clear the geofence that you have just drawn. The square tool will allow you to create a rectangular geofence. And the pencil tool will allow you to draw a geofence of any shape. Click on the map to create your first point, and then you can click around to create consecutive points. Double-clicking will place a final point down and free your cursor from the geofence vertex. If you have placed your final geofence point down but realize you've left it unfinished, clicking the circular arrow icon will allow you to continue drawing the geofence from where you placed your last point using the pencil tool. Once you have a geofence on the map, you can click on any of the corners to pick them up and move them around. Clicking again will drop the corner at its new location. You can also click on the shaded area of the geofence to pick the entire geofence up and move it around. Clicking again will drop the geofence in its new location. Once you're happy with the shape and placement of your geofence, fill in the name, pick a color, and write a small description of the geofence before clicking on Save. Once your geofence is created, you'll be able to see it on the map. You can manage all your geofences by switching over to the list panel and going to the Geofences tab. You'll be able to group your geofences and also edit the details of your individual geofences. Now to make use of your geofences, you can try the following things. We have a range of geofence related reports that you can set up and generate in the Reports panel. You can also create alerts to notify you when vehicles enter and exit your geofences using the Alerts panel. And you can also open the dashboard to simply see which geofence has had the most vehicle activity over the past 7 days. This brings us to the end of this tutorial video. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again for the next tutorial.